Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can edit portfolio section and services section content in your Elementor WordPress website. For example, if I go here you can see this one is portfolio section. So I can easily change this one portfolio text, but I am not able to change these images from here. So how we can do that? In another website, here you can see this one is services content. So how we can change this type of content from the WordPress dashboard? So first of all, we can go in WordPress website dashboard, and after that here you can find out portfolio. Then you can simply go and click on edit button. Scroll down. Here you can see this one is the featured image that I'm using here. So simply you can go and replace the image from here. For example, if I select this image and then update this page, now let's go back and reload this page. Now image is updated. In the same way you can also change these images and this text. You can go to website dashboard. In WordPress website dashboard, here you can see services, then all services. So now you can go and edit one of the service. If I scroll down, here you can see this one is the featured image that you can simply replace with any of the image. And after that, here you can see this one is services text that you can easily find out here, and you can change it from here. After that, you can go and click on update button. In this way you can easily edit portfolio and services section content in your Elementor WordPress website.